In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add multiple videos in Clipchamp quickly and easily. If you're working on a project and want to combine different clips into one smooth video, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Whether you're creating YouTube content, social media videos, or school projects, knowing how to add multiple videos in Clipchamp is an essential skill. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Clipchamp. Log into your account and head over to the video project you want to work on. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by clicking on Create a New Video and choosing your preferred aspect ratio. Once you're inside the Clipchamp editor, you'll see the timeline at the bottom and the media panel on the left-hand side. To add multiple videos, the first thing you need to do is click on the Import Media button. This option is located in the Media section on the left. Go ahead and click on Import Media. A file window will open, allowing you to select videos from your computer. Now here's the key part. Instead of selecting just one video, you can select multiple videos at the same time. To do this on Windows, hold down the Control key and click on each video you want to upload. On Mac, hold down the Command key and select your files. You can also click and drag your cursor over multiple files to highlight them all at once. Once you've selected all the videos you want to add, click Open. Clipchamp will now begin uploading all the selected video files into your project. You'll see them appear in the Media Library panel. Depending on the file sizes and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. After the videos are uploaded, you can start adding them to your timeline. Simply click and drag the first video from the Media Library down onto the timeline. Then repeat the same process for the remaining videos. Drag and drop each one onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. You can place them one after another to create a continuous sequence. If you need to rearrange the order, just click on a clip in the timeline and drag it left or right to reposition it. Clipchamp makes it very easy to organize your clips exactly the way you want. You can also trim each video by clicking on the edges of the clip in the timeline and dragging inward. This allows you to remove unwanted sections and keep only the best parts of each video. If you want smoother transitions between your clips, click on the Transitions tab on the left panel. Drag a transition effect between two clips on the timeline to create a seamless flow from one video to the next. This is especially useful for vlogs, tutorials, and highlight reels. Another helpful tip is to make sure all your clips match your project's aspect ratio. If you notice black bars or cropping issues, click on the clip in the preview window and adjust the fit, fill, or crop settings accordingly. Once you've added and arranged all your videos, preview your project by pressing the play button in the preview window. Watch through the entire sequence to ensure everything flows smoothly. If needed, make final adjustments to timing, transitions, or placement. When you're satisfied with your video, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution, such as 1080p for high quality, and let Clipchamp process your final video. And that's it. That's how you add multiple videos in Clipchamp quickly and efficiently. As you can see, the process is simple. Import multiple files, drag them onto the timeline, arrange them in order, and export your finished project. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.